Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. I've got a Selectric. This happens to be a Selectric one, but it has a dual impression cable that runs the dual impression for the strike of the ball, and those get, not only do they break, they get gummy and stick. The whole cable is it's the cable. It looks like this, and this has been soaking in lacquer thinner for quite a few hours here, and this is what it looks like. Of course, it's wound up here so I can get it in the container there to soak. So this is what it looks like, and it runs, up under the carrier and over to the side to the mechanism, and then this moves, and it moves that piece up here, and this is moving freely now. It was gummed up and wouldn't move like that, and so this is lacquer thinner. I just soaked it, and I got it working, so it moves from end to end pretty freely. Nice, but the follow-up is the fun process here. I'll stick it on a rag here, and you need to open up the sections of this. So about every 2 or 3 inches, pull it like this. It's really hard, but that separates the wire here, and we're going to shoot air in there. So I'll show you how to do that. Kind of neat. So you hold it, one finger down, one finger, and spray it right through. Repeat the process next couple inches. Next couple inches. Next couple inches. And repeat the whole thing. You want to blow that old oil out of there and give it a fighting chance to be revived here. When you pull just a small section, it separates those coils a little more. Turn it right to the spacer here. Put it that way. Compressor is running out of air, but probably enough to finish it. Right here to the end. That should do it. Feels very good. Alright, I'm going to reinstall this cable. There's a video that shows how to do this whole installation process too, so if you want to look that up if you need to. But that's how you clean a gummy impression cable the Phoenix Typewriter way. It's a little springy. Good day.